Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a Bible journaling with me video, and I'm going to be in 1 Peter chapter 4 and chapter 5. So in chapter 4, I'm on verse 16, and it says, "Yet if any man suffer as a Christian, let him not be ashamed, but let him glorify God on this behalf." And then in chapter 5, I'm looking at verse 6, and it says, "Humble yourselves therefore under the mighty hand of God, that he may exalt you in due time." As I've been dissecting 1 Peter, these verses stuck out to me and I wanted to put both of them on my last page. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check the description box for all materials that I used and also for what kind of Bible I am using. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one.